Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a mindful exercise called Express Joy. We will focus on things that bring us joy and notice how this affects our bodies and minds. To prepare, let's sit comfortably, close our eyes, and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Take one more deep cleansing breath in and slowly release. As you sit comfortably in your space, close your eyes and push away all other thoughts. Allow the thoughts to float away, leaving space in your mind for our activity today. Now, as you sit with your eyes closed, think about what joy means to you. In your mind, create your own personal definition of joy. What does joy look like? How does joy feel? How do you know when you are feeling joyful? As you focus in on these questions, what things or people enter your mind? What things or people in your life bring you joy? What experiences have you had in which joy was the feeling that flowed through your body and mind? While you think of these people, things, or experiences, notice how your body feels. Where in your body do you feel joy? What sensations do you experience? Allow yourself to sink into that joy. Let it cover your body in warmth. Now, in your mind, complete the sentence. I express and embrace the joy that blank gives me. Notice how it feels in your body to actually express your joy.